Closed Cretan stitch looks beautifully intricate. It takes a little bit of concentration to keep track of where you are in the design, but it's not too difficult once you get into a rhythm. It's easiest to mark the different sections of the stitch. This helps to prevent skipping steps along the way, particularly as you start to stitch more quickly. Bring the needle up at point 1 and take it down again 2 rows above at point 2. Bring the needle back up to the left of the thread at point 3. Take it back down at point 4, leaving a small loop of thread to the right of the needle. Now bring the needle back up at point 1 within the loop of thread and pull the thread gently through to complete your first stitch. Now take the needle down at point 2, leave a loop of thread and come up again at point 3 within the loop. Pull the needle through to complete half of the stitch. Now repeat these steps in mirror image, taking the needle down at point 4, leaving a loop and coming up within the loop at point 1. The interlaced threads create a beautiful pattern as each stitch develops. That's all for now. Thank you for watching. I'll be back with another stitch tutorial soon. If all goes to plan, it will be fly stitch. If you'd like to see more tutorials, I have a stitch library playlist here. Bye for now.